Hey guys, I think it's time for an STI ride along, and I hope you feel like you're sitting next to me because I got the camera positioned in a way that hopefully makes you feel like you're sitting in the passenger seat. This video is recorded at 60 frames per second with my GoPro Hero 9, so hopefully it's going to turn out okay. I am wearing these inexpensive driving gloves I found on Amazon, so I stopped hitting my fingernails against the steering wheel. I love this steering wheel. It's one of my favorite parts of the car. As silly as that might sound, I love this steering wheel. It has a great feel. I know I can't feel it with my fingers right now, but I'm trying to keep it like pristine. You know how steering wheels can get over time. And there goes my phone holder that was in the cup holder. I think I might have to toss that out the freaking window. I think it's annoying. Just wanted to go down my favorite twisty road. Let's throw it into Sport Sharp. Third gear. Don't want to get too crazy here. It's the end of the month. You know how police are at the end of the month. But there is an S-turn coming up that I think you will enjoy. I know I will. Love that turn. I have to be a little bit careful around here because it is a busy area and stuff. You never know what's around those curves, but I try to get them in with some spirited driving when I can. I absolutely love this STI. It's definitely my favorite car that I've owned, without a doubt. And it's all about the handling. It's definitely the best handling car I've ever owned and probably will ever own. I think to get handling better than this, you're approaching the $80,000 range. I'd probably have to go to a Porsche Cayman to get anything close to the way this feels. So we have an old Chevy. That's an old 90s car in front of me right now. Turbo comes on strong, right around that 3,500 RPM. And this car is not tuned. Although, I'm getting the itch, everybody. I am getting the itch to tune the car and go right to stage 2. And that is a sore subject in the house right now because my wife does not want me to spend any more money on these cars, at least for now. And I can't blame her for feeling that way. I mean, it is getting ridiculous, isn't it? I already have about $51,000 total in this car. The car was $43,000. I did about $7,000, $8,000 work to it. It's a lot of money. But man, is it worth it? I mean, the alignment's pretty much perfect right now, at least for now. I love it. But let me tell you something. If you put just a slight amount of weight on either side of the steering wheel, you immediately feel the wheels do something. It's really crazy how responsive the steering is. But it's the end of the month, and I just wanted to try to close out August with another video because when I don't post for a long time and I don't know if this is ever going to change at this point, but ooh, a Rubicon Gladiator, nice. I don't know if this is ever going to change at this point, but if on YouTube, if you don't post for a long time, your channel goes into something called the YouTube graveyard. Oh my God, this Sentra got in front of me. That is not good. I probably had to do this drive earlier in the day. But my channel's definitely in the YouTube graveyard right now because I just can't get anything to be viewed. So if you see me post a bunch of stuff that may not be all car specific, might just be a random video I throw up, it's to get some activity on my channel. So just hang in there. Don't unsubscribe. But I do love filming these cars, though. I like to do the driving videos. I feel like this car just wants to go through this guy. But again, yeah, I am definitely getting the itch to go stage 2 in this car, and I think that if I use the MA Performance Stage 2 kit, they give the car about 334 wheel horsepower or something, which is like a 60 horsepower jump. And you can do that safely without risking the internals of the engine. So, and they're not going to over boost your engine either. They actually take the max boost of this car down a little bit to make sure you're not going to blow your engine, which I think is smart. So you still get a torque and horsepower gain, and that's what you feel, of course. So but this car feels good the way it is. It feels good stock. I'm happy with it, definitely happy with it, but I do feel like it could definitely benefit with a slight tune. Just a minor stage 2 tune, nothing big. All right, this guy killed my whole trip. I'm gonna have to do this again. Oh, it's busy out now. Fuck. Anywho, oh, is that a cop? He just saved my ass. Did this guy just save my ass? Holy shit. He just got there. Like I said, it's the end of the month. Wow. Wow, how about that? That could have been bad. That could have been really bad and really embarrassing. I owe this man in the blue Nissan Sentra a handshake for saving me from definite doom. Wow, yeah, it's the end of the month. You really can't do this stuff at the end of the month in the middle of the day, especially like close to 4 o'clock. It's probably not the best time to have a spirited drive.